need anything? Where are you going to the store for? Oh, we're out of wipe-on poly, so I'm just going to go pick some up.
We can make that here.
I didn't even know you knew how to do that. I'll show you. It's real simple. Come on, okay? Well, show me. Alright, so this is how I make my wipe-on poly. So, just get a regular can of polyurethane mineral spirits. And I use 2 of these. I cut it with 50-50 of both. And then I do another one that's like maybe 30% of the poly and 70% of the mineral spirits. All you do is open this up. Then you just take a stick, stir this up really good. You want to make sure it's the oil based. You can do it with the water based, but you gotta add about, I don't know, 3 times more coats when you're putting it on. And I personally don't like that. Okay, that's as simple as just pouring it in there. On these jars on the side have measurements. So I just go right by the measurements. Mineral spirits. Put the lid on, shake it up really good. It needs to be completely mixed or it's just not gonna work well, and you want it to work well. After you're done shaking it, let it sit for like half an hour or until like the bubbles that's in there settle, and then you can use it. Another pro tip, you could take some blue tape, put it on the top and on the side, and just write on there what the mixture is. This one's 50, 50. Now this is all done, you're ready to go. You could just use it on the next project, but didn't cost you as much as it would have been to go buy it. Come on, man. What have you been doing? Wait, you're done? Dude, come on. I didn't see anything. It's always something constant. Just playing on the phone. You're gonna have to watch the video. I'm not doing it again.